Hello Sven.
Hello Fabian.
Can you tell us a bit more about why you have established the business area of Digital Factory at ModuleWorks?
Initially at ModuleWorks we focused more on individual problems of our customers. But now we want to look more into what challenges our customers in different areas are facing. And the Digital Factory business area there focuses on CNC manufacturers and machine tool builders. And for those we want to look not only into the challenges, of course, but also finding the right solution portfolio for them.
Can you tell us about what is your vision for the market?
In this specific market, two important goals are achieving sustainability and automation. And for our partners in the Digital Factory area, we want to achieve this by digitalizing the processes more, to having automated systems, and also to make all the production greener.